Okay, for page 2, we're going to create this hamster that's on the side now that you finished page 1. Now for the hamster, we're going to go ahead and go back to our rectangle tool, and we're going to draw a rectangle. And we want it to be the color of the hamster, so I'm going to use my eyedrop tool to select the exact color of the hamster. And I'm going to give it a outline of black and change the stroke to about, let's go 6. Let's go higher. I'm going to go 12 because it's a bigger box. So there is my box. Now I'm going to use the circular tool. So I'm going to use the ellipse. I'm going to make a circle for one ear. And rather than drawing an ear and trying to get it the same exact size, I'm going to hold my Alt key down. And by holding my Alt key down and Shift, I can drag a copy over so it's the same exact size. I'm going to do that again for the bottom. Drag, Shift, and Alt. Now I'm going to change the shape of his foot. And now that I have the shape there, I'm going to drag it over. I'm going to rotate it. So I got the foot going one way and the foot going another. Now with these, I'm going to drag it over here for one arm by holding the Alt key down. Drag it over here for the other arm. And I can make them go to the back. So I'm going to make my ears and my arms go to the back by selecting them all, right-clicking, going Arrange, and Send to Back. Another way to do that would be going to your Object, Arrange, Send to Back, which is Shift, Control, and bracket. So this is my base for my hamster. I'm going to change the color of the hamster over here to make sure I got the right color for the foot. So it's a little bit lighter. I'm going to give it a black outline of 12 again. So you see it's lightly different. I'm going to make a copy. Switch it around. So we have one eye there and another eye. I'm going to use my color swatches over here to reverse it so it's a fill. And when I click on the outline, I'm going to click on None. So now I just have the eyes there with no fill. I'm going to get another copy of it. I'm going to come over to the eraser tool and click on Scissors. I'm going to click on that point and that point. So I clicked on 2 points, so it allows me to get half of my oval there. So there's half of my oval. And what I'm going to do is, once again, I'm going to go to my colors for my foreground and background here, and it has a no fill, a no outline, and a fill of black. Now I'm going to switch it so it has a fill of nothing and an outline of black. I'm going to make my line a little bit thicker, and there we go. So I'm going to get the same one. I'm going to rotate it. And make it bigger to make the belly. And now that I made the belly, I'm going to choose the same color of the belly. So now it has a fill of that color. Move it up slightly. And now we just finished our hamster. I'm going to go ahead and pause here and do page 3 and 4 on the next videos.